Hi, I'm Haley, and today we're going to be making one of my favorite things. It's edible cookie dough. Yes, that's right. You can have cookie dough guilt-free. There's actually a store in New York called Cookie Dough, and they have edible cookie dough, and it's so good. I've been there, but obviously we can't go there right now. So we're gonna learn how to make it at home, and it is pretty simple, and it's really tasty. Let's get started. So you might be disappointed because you thought we didn't have to bake anything, but the first thing we're gonna do is take 2 cups of flour, spread it out on this pan. I've also put a silicone baking sheet on my pan. You'll see why later. It makes things a lot easier. And I'm just gonna spread it out. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm getting distracted. This flour feels amazing though. Just spread it out evenly. And now we're gonna bake it in the oven. I have it preheated to 350 and I'm gonna put it in there for like 5 minutes. Okay, so the flour is out of the oven. That was just to like kill bacteria. And now we're going to start making the cookie dough. So the reason I put this silicone mat on here is so that I can pick up all the flour and dump it in the bowl instead of like having to scrape it off the pan. This is the hardest part of making cookie dough. Like everything else is easy. Okay, the big moment. No, don't do that. Don't. We made it! And now for the easier part, I'm just going to combine everything in the bowl all at once. So here's 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm just gonna turn on the blender and let it do all the work for me. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love cookie dough. Now it's all mostly combined, but sometimes you see these like little pieces of flour, and I find it best to just like give it a break and let the flour absorb and then come back and mix it later. All right, now that it's all done mixing, I'm going to add in 1 cup of chocolate chips and mix those in. All right, so I have made this cookie dough tons of times before, and it's never been like this, but I think maybe the flour was a little too hot when I combined everything, and so then the chocolate chip started to get a little melty, so I just stuck it in the fridge, but now I'm ready to scoop it. Scooping cookies takes so long. Or you can skip all the scooping steps, leave it in the bowl and just eat it with a spoon. That's totally safe and healthy. And there you have it. Easy, edible cookie dough at home. Now, like always, I'm gonna try it. I mean, I don't know what it tastes like, and it's amazing. I love cookie dough so much. I am a cookie monster. I think I might like it more than cookies. Well, thank you so much for not baking with me today. I hope you enjoyed this cookie dough. Let me know if you ever try to make cookie dough and how it turns out. And I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong. I think I can, oh my gosh. Ugh. Okay, oh my gosh. This is the way the professionals do it. Don't cry over cookie crumbs. Life Lessons by Haley in the kitchen. Yes, this is like, don't throw your cookie dough everywhere. Be calm.
It wasn't recording.
How long?